How to change time frame in MetaTrader 5 on PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change time frame in MetaTrader 5 on PC. In order to do so, first of all, you will need to launch open your MetaTrader 5 application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here at the top left you will be able to see different tabs. Click on this charts option and then from this menu here select time frames. Once you locate this time frames, hover your cursor over it and then you will be able to see the menu. From this drop down menu, now you will need to select your preferred time frame. Simply click on it and then you will be able to change the time frame. Now you have selected your desired interval or the time frame. If you didn't see the options here, you may simply click on this view option and then select this toolbars. Make sure it is checked. Once you hover your cursor over it, you'll be able to see a new menu. From here select time frames. And by doing so, you will be able to see the charts option here. The chart will automatically update once a new time frame is selected. So by following these steps, you should be able to change time frame in MetaTrader 5 on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.